Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Your boy is tired. I know y'all saying, man, his channel's erratic. We don't know when he's gonna post. And you're right, I don't know when I'm gonna post because honestly, that has not been touched. 240. The G still there. Now we have an issue starting that. And my G is in the backyard. Now, good reason. Gate, posts, and then we got all these to fill. What you see down there. So as you can see, I got material. You can see the little mounds. Those are post holes. So you know what I'm doing. With that, pray for your boy. That being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's with the 2-gauge pod mod that I did for the G35. Finishing piece. Hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you guys so much for always coming back. Alright, so let me go get to work. See where we're at. Okay, I got everything pretty much zip tied, bolted up. This is plastic bonder, epoxy adhesive. All right, use that to spread over the foam, get it hard, and I'm gonna go back in and lay the clot over it with resin and do what I do. If you don't know about me and fiberglass, you need to go back to like 2019, 2020. You see it all there. But this is the progress so far. I'm gonna say I'm pretty much 60% in, because after this, it's gonna go so fast. It is. I didn't really record anything, me doing this morning, because as you can see where I'm at, and the work police was here, so couldn't record anything. Let me jump back in, get some stuff done, and you guys got questions, don't be afraid to ask. I got you. This is where we are currently. I didn't record anything at all yesterday. The West resin needs 15 hours to cure. When I realized it was cured, I went ahead and started doing Bondo. So my apologies. However, this is my second coat. I am going to sand it down. You guys will see the process. And if I need to add more, which I'm thinking I will, I'll record that so you guys can see if you've never done it before. But it's going according to plan so far, and this is where we're at. It is looking pretty decent so far. Spacing is about right. All along the edges, we're getting there. For these areas, this corner and that corner, I'm gonna use my finger instead of the spreader, and I'm gonna show you guys why. I'm gonna wet my finger down with silicone lubricant, and then show you guys why I'm doing it that way. It's a bit windy out here, but silicone lubricant, so it doesn't really stick to the glove. All I'm gonna do is use it, put it in here, and it helps me to shape it better. It's already dry. That's done.